Okay, so I have this little folder paper, and so you're going to want to measure and find out where you're at on this. So what we've got is basically 2 inches. Alright, so our center line is here. Then these, of course, set on our center line, and so I just kind of go around them like that, so I know basically where my guns are going to mount. And then I measure outward, and we're looking at right at 3/4 of an inch. Alright, so so there's 3/4 of an inch right there. Yeah, 3/4 of an inch right there. And depending on the size you make your Falcon, all these measurements could be absolutely unimportant. You might have to make your own measurements on everything that you do because you make one that's say 4 inches in diameter instead of 2 inches. Kind of depends on how you want to build this. So what you've got is it's tight right here, and then it goes down and it's wider here. So basically what you've got is you're going to have a piece that is slightly altered as far as you're going to have to trim your corners off. And this sometimes takes some practice to get reasonably good at. Okay, what do I want? Oh, one of these. Yeah, I didn't do that right at all. Okay, that is not going to work. So let's do a little bit better math. That's 1/8 of an inch, and that is 1/4. So what we need is 1/2 inch, basically, to 1/4 of an inch. All right, so we have 1/2 inch, which is 1/8, 1/4, and 1/8. Yep, and that takes us to, take this 1/8 off, that's 1/4 of an inch right there. Okay, now that I have a better measurement, I can actually cut this down correctly. Alright, now what we have is we have a little piece like this, and we can bend that just like so. Yeah, better get this out. And that is what you're going to make those with. So now you need 4 of these. So I did not cut the proper amount of paper for this at all. Alrighty, so that doesn't work there. There we go. And we want 3/4 of an inch. The cool thing is, this cut is actually correct. So we'll measure off of that cut. We need 1/2 inch. So there's your 1/8 inch, 1/4 inch, and your 1/8 inch. Oops, squished it. here is a 1/4 inch right there. Couple ways you can do this. You can take and scribe a line. And what that does for you is that it actually breaks the paper so that it makes it a little bit easier to fold it up. Or you can just take and do it like I did that first piece. that kind of takes us to the end of the build for today.